Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Azure DevOps tutorial series, today let's discuss about template expression. Alright, so template expressions are used to specify how values are dynamically resolved during pipeline initialization. You can usually wrap your template expression inside this particular syntax. Alright, there's a dollar sign and double set brackets opened and closed. Right, so we already saw a glance about template expressions in our previous video where we used a simple expressions to pass a template, right? So pass a template during runtime. All right, so similarly here in this video we'll just dig in little deeper to understand what kind of expressions do we have, what are different functions that we regularly use in template expressions and all. We will have a look at it. All right, so one key important to notice: expressions are only expanded for stages, jobs, steps and containers inside resources. Like, you cannot use an expression inside a trigger or a repository and all right, so this is something we need to keep in mind. So here are the few common template expression or few built-in template expression functions that is actually present. All right. So it is, as you know, that it is very difficult to cover each and every functions that is provided here. I'm just showing you a very high level glance about what these functions are. Like, if you go through each and every function names, it is actually easily understandable for you. Most of the functions are very straightforward. All right, so something like format, length, lower, not in, replace, this and all are very regularly used, right? So this might be very straightforward for you, but do not worry, there are few other functions which are little pipeline oriented. Like, it is something very specific to template expressions. So I do not worry, I will make a separate video to make you understand what those functions are. Okay, but the disclaimer is I want to cover only the very high level basics about template expressions, and I want you to be aware like what expressions are, what are the built-in functions that is widely used. All right, and next we will see about template expression functions. Okay, this is just an extension of our previous slide. So this template expression functions are something very much specific to this particular template expressions, where these are like very general functions. Okay, you can use these general functions in your templates as your function, as your expression function. Right, first one is, you can see there is something called format. Format is like it's a simple string token replacement. All right, again there's something specifically called coalesce. Okay, it actually evaluates to the first non-empty or a first null string argument. All right, again we have something called insertion. Insertion is something, you can use the template expressions to alter the structure of an YAML pipeline. In those kind of situations, you can use this insert. Like, you can insert into a sequence and all, and you can use a conditional insertion. You can use an iterative insertion and all. Okay, and finally we have something called escape a value. Escape a value is like, if you want to escape a value that where the literal contains the syntax of this expression. For example, if your expression contains this particular value, how do you escape out of it? Then you can wrap the value in an expression string. All right, so these and all, I will make a separate video to actually describe you all these examples and all these functions, which will actually help make you understand much more template expression functions in detail. As I said earlier, the disclaimer is my intention is to make you aware what template expressions are and what are the built-in functions and few commonly used functions that is very widely used in Azure pipeline. All right, so if you want to have a glance again, you can go to my previous video where I have created a pipeline, and if I go into edit mode, you can see I have used an expression here. Okay, so I have enclosed within there's a dollar at the beginning and couple of set brackets opened and couple of set brackets closed as well, and I have wrapped my expressions. I have placed my expression inside here. Okay, I'm using a basic if condition, and similarly you can use many other functions that is available. You can try with any other functions that is available in our template expression function, and let me know if you have any specific question about any of these functions. All right, so that's all what I want to cover as part of this video, guys. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.